you pricing your products accurately or losing profit without realizing? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to calculate your other direct costs per hour, including a clear breakdown of overhead costs and machine costs using practical scenarios. Whether you're in manufacturing, FMCG, or running a small business, this guide will help you do a few things. 1. Understand your true cost per unit. 2. Allocate cost per workstation. 3. Price your products more profitably. And 4. Avoid undercharging or misquoting on others. This method works for any product-based business, and it's must know for operations managers, finance managers, and business owners. Hi everyone, welcome to HA Labs, where we simplify business finance one video at a time. Let's go straight into the template. The first thing we do is to break down our overhead cost. These are the indirect costs of producing a product. Unlike direct materials or direct labor, overheads are not tied to a specific unit, but still essential. If you want to learn about how to calculate your direct materials and direct labor costs, check out the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and create a scenario now. You can see how the template works out. I've gone ahead and listed out some overhead costs. I've listed out the associated annual cost for all those different overheads, and I have my total at the bottom. Next is the total productive hours per month. In my scenario, this is 2,000 hours. So this gives our overhead cost per hour. Let's say your manufacturing team spends 3 hours on a specific order. You can multiply those hours by your overhead rate per hour. Then that gives you your other direct costs to add to your product pricing. You can actually go a step further and allocate this to workstations. So in my case, I'd allocate this to 3 workstations. So I'll put that figure in there, 3 workstations. And then it gives me my operational overhead cost per hour per workstation. What that basically does is it divides your operational overhead cost per hour by the number of workstations. And now I can go ahead and put my workstations in, and you can see how that reflects in the template. And there you have it. So when I mean workstations, in my scenario, my 3 workstations are on the manufacturing side for mixing the shampoo product that we're making, on the production side for filling the shampoos into the bottles, and also for packing those bottles into the finished packages. Next is machine cost per hour. Now let's list out some machine related expenses. There you have it. I have my total machine cost. And now I put in my total productive hours per month, similar to what we did for overheads. Again, based on those 2 figures I've entered, I now have my machine cost per hour, which is that figure in there. Similar to what we did with overheads, we can break this down the next level where we allocate it to workstations. So I can go ahead and put my workstations in again. On the machinery side, I'm going to say I have 2 workstations. And then again, I have my machine cost per hour per workstation. There you have it. The 2 workstations I've used here as manufacturing, so there's some machinery used for mixing, and on production, it's a machinery used for filling the shampoo into the bottles. And there you have it, guys. When you understand your true costs per hour, you're in control of quite a few things. You can set accurate pricing, you can improve your profitability, and you can quote with confidence. If you've picked up a tip or 2, why don't you go ahead and hit the like button? And if you're serious about leveling up your business finances, go ahead and subscribe to the HA Labs community so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.